Part 64 of my 6-week ride, Moto Rallies, Camping, and Mountain Passes. I enjoyed a nice soak in the hot springs in Ouray. Our home for the next few days as we explore the mountains around us. Starting our ride at the west end of Gunnison National Forest, riding between the forest and the mountains on the way to Ouray.
Delta, Colorado. It is hot.
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me at all, or just like, oh, so it's just like the wind in your helmet, that kind of thing?
Here you do.
They have a lot of cool murals.
Here. It's not here. Okay. Okay, well, I'm off the map. It doesn't know where the fuck I'm going. What? Well, it says I missed it 3 blocks ago. This one?
I'm at Box Canyon Hot Springs at our hotel in Ouray, and they have these hot springs little tubs. They have 4 of them with awesome views. watching the sun go down. And enjoy the hot springs. Perfect. They keep them covered if not in use. They're very nice. Look at my chain. It's cracking me up. Clean part of it. Clean part of it. And not all of it. Didn't get on the center sand to clean, so. Alrighty. Okay. It's at the other end of town. I think it's a SO or SO's. Hang on. My bike feels so light with not that stuff on it. There we go. Alrighty, the town of Ouray at just before 7 in the evening. Colorado. Oh, okay. The lady at the hotel recommended? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Don't know. They had motorcycle parking last time, remember? They did. I'm pretty sure they did. Like here, beside this bike. See? That's motorcycle parking. Well, at least things are open this time. I do remember last time we couldn't find anything open. Okay, so I know I put the heat and octane boost in it, but I am interested to see if it, because it was sputtering a bunch of times once it started before we got to our hotel. Like actually cut out a couple times and then was sputtering because I was making sure I gave it lots of gas. There is? Awesome. Okay, let's get that. I would like to do that then, please. You're not going to fill it though? Okay. Thank you, thank you. See, and I snap it so it's closed. No water in it. Awesome. Yeah, I really don't want to doing funky stuff off-road. I don't even see the deer. You saw the deer? Oh, they're there. Duh. Hi, babies. I don't want to scare you onto the road. Oh, you seem pretty used to. Maybe. Yeah, I guess so. Very cool. Pretty. Those deer seem pretty used to us, but I didn't want to scare them onto the road. Right? Since the road was right below us. Beautiful homes, wow. The pretty mountains. Love this place, it's awesome. I'm up in the morning and about to go for a dip in the hot tubs that are down below. I've got some pictures of that, video of that. And this is what they consider the sun deck up above, which is this gorgeous grassy area on the side of the hill with views all around. So, really, really pretty. There are a few spots like this with little springs trickling down the mountain. The path coming down from the sun-decked area, the grassy area, to the top hot spring, which is the hottest one. And there's the top and the middle hot spring. They're little tubs. They keep covered if no one's using them. And behind the fence is another hot spring coming out that does say, "Don't enter, water's too hot."
Follow me on social media, links in the description below.